Marvin, 3%. How's Marvin record this? Because I'm sneezing as hell. If you guys are wondering what the hell is going on, I don't know. I don't know why we made this corner hard. Oh fuck. I hope this is good enough for the people. If you think this is weird, you don't know the meaning of weird. She laughs so much, she snorts at the pig. She goes like, I do not get that thing out of my face. She does. She laughs to the point I hear, I do not. I hope you guys heard that. She's camera shy. She's camera shy, folks. Camera shy. I can't drive with you sneezing. Come on. So not funny. It is so. We're gonna have to pull out, otherwise I'm gonna run right over your ass. Don't sneeze while I'm swallowing. Choke. Right. I think I'm getting something. I don't know. I think I'm getting something. I don't know what it is. If you guys know, don't need to comment. It is torture. Torture. I'm driving perfectly. Not making that will go 5 miles an hour. You should have seen earlier. You couldn't add the pig to this fucking bag. See, she's snorting, people, snorting. Stop! Ow! You don't even go to camera, you know that, right? Ow! She's hitting me, folks. She's hitting me. No, she hit me in the shoulder. Now she's tickling me. Did we press the bell box? No. Oh shit! Did we? Is that it? No. I don't know. What confusing? I think I know why. I can't drive. I'm sneezing. Yeah. I think I know why I'm sneezing because someone named Pitney Bartholomew. Oh. Every time you say why, you start sneezing. Bye bye.